Alright, here we go again. We pretty much eating all day, all night when you are camping. Not much you can do. I'm gonna get the spatula. This is my spatula. I call everything spatula. Put some of this. Right. Alright. Whatever vegetable available, 2-minute noodle will do. And now I'm gonna chop some green bit in there. I got some of this Chinese thing, Chinese broccoli. That's what they call. So I put 2 eggs, 1 each. That's it, done, that's it. Leave it for 3 minutes and it will come back. I'll be alright. And then gonna be ready to cheers. This one?
Ladle.
Right, I think it's ready now. I'm gonna turn it off. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna get the noodle for Ben first. There we go. So now where's the egg? There, here we go, egg. There we go. Here you are. Ready to serve.